And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create these typical stock icon designs in Adobe Illustrator. We need our two elements, so the bars and the line with the arrow head. And under view I've got the smart guides and only snap to point activated. Let me use the rectangle tool first. I'll just create something, just a random rectangle, and then I use the properties menu. If you can't find that, go to window and click on property. So the first one, I'll make it 50 in width, 100 in height, and then I copy that with the selection tool and holding Alt, and then I press Ctrl D 2 times to create 4 of them in total. Second one gets the height of 150, third one 210, and last one is even bigger. So make sure you've got this linked icon deselected, so that way you only affect the height when you type in a new value. Now make sure it's aligned, so use the selection tool once more, and the smart guides, they'll help you. This is our starting point. Let me make that blue. I'm going to stick with this one. So now I want to create this line with the arrowhead. And a good way to do that is to create a rectangle on top, on the left hand side and right hand side. Make sure you hit the anchor points correctly. And then copy that, so hold Alt, put it on the right hand side on top. Now I'll use the pen tool, go to the center position of the red one and then upwards. Click again on the right hand side. Swap the colors so that you've only got a stroke and no fill color. Increase the stroke. And then you can get rid of the rectangles. And now you can see we've got the line perfectly positioned. When you want to create kind of like a curved line, you can see it hits the bar in the center. So you want to create a red bar that's a little bit bigger so that you don't hit that. So let me show you this as well. Again, make sure you hit the anchor points correctly. And hold Alt, drag a copy out of it with the selection tool. Now use the pen tool. 2 clicks on the center position at the top, and the second one I click, hold and drag. I swap the colors, increase the stroke weight. And now I need the stroke menu to give it the arrowhead, but let me first delete the 2 rectangles. On the window, just click on stroke and it'll open. On the right hand side, I'll pick an arrowhead. You can align it differently, unlike the first option, so I'll keep that. But I think it's a little bit too big, so I'm going down with the size to 80%. And that's how you can create this effect. There's another icon that looks somewhat similar, so let me drag a copy out of it. Let's just say the second bar is bigger than the third bar. I'm pretty sure you've seen that. So let me reposition that, then realign it, make sure it has the same baseline. Let me get rid of the red line. And now it's the same process, so I'll create red rectangles on top first. But now I'll copy them for all of the 4 blue ones. And now I'll use the pen tool again. Swap the colors, click on the center positions, but this time on all 4 bars. Let me delete the red ones, increase the stroke weight for the line, give it an arrowhead. It's still too big. Let me go down to 70% in this case. And you've seen it, I'm pretty sure, with these circles on top. So just use the ellipse tool for that and hold Shift and Alt on the center position. So of this anchor point on the left hand side, and then drag 2 copies out of it. If you're not sure if you've hit the center positions of the circles correctly on the line, so on the path of the line, just press Ctrl Y for the outline mode. And you can see I haven't done that correctly. So just select the circle, hold Ctrl, pick the center, and then go down to the anchor point and it'll snap as long as you hold Ctrl and use the selection tool. And this is it. This is how you can create these typical stock icons in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.